Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now thank you all for 1000 subscriber and I'm at the vending machine again, and this is Hot Wheels and Matchbox, but there is a lot of empty slot. Does it mean that the Hot Wheels is very popular or they haven't restocked yet? Lots of new casting, but fantasy casting like the jelly and this red thing here. What I want to show you is this Matchbox. The trailer with a motorbike, and behind is the Nissan hard body, which if I buy can tow this trailer. A lot of nice casting are behind. There's this Toyota van in silver and the red Ford Sierra, but you have to buy the skateboard and the Corvette. And behind there I see the Ford Escort, and then you have to buy all this. And down here we have helicopter from Skybuster, the Unimog. These two container from Tarmac Works. I think there is no car inside, just a container. J Leno's Garage. Mini GT Datsun 510 wagon. And the Honda City is very nice, but then the price is expensive. So again, thank you for 1000 subscribers. By the time I upload this video, it would be more than 1000 subscribers. Didn't buy any this round, even though the trailer and the Nissan is very tempting. The vending machine is getting more and more unpopular. I don't know why. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.